Elon Musk wants to move the AI data center off the planet entirely into orbit. And just days before SpaceX's record-breaking IPO, he pulled back the curtain on exactly how he plans to do it. Let's get into it. Here's what we're covering today. The reveal of the AI1 satellite, a giant new factory rising in Texas to mass produce them, and the hard question of whether compute in orbit actually pencils out, or whether it's still science fiction. On June 8th, in a 30-minute video posted to SpaceX's account, Musk unveiled AI1, the company's first orbital data center. He described it almost casually as a rack of compute in space and said it's actually much simpler to build than a Starlink satellite. The numbers are wild. AI1 carries a compute payload of 120 kilowatts that peaks near 150, all fed by a solar array roughly 70 meters across, wider than a Boeing 747, generating 250 watts per square meter. Building one satellite is a demo, building thousands is the plan. So SpaceX is standing up an 11 million square foot factory in Bastrop, Texas, called Gigasat. Musk says it should be producing finished AI satellites by 2027, part of a reported $55 billion program. The target is aggressive: 1 gigawatt of orbital AI compute by the end of 2027. From there, Musk says he wants to scale that figure by an order of magnitude, 10 times, every single year. The whole vision rests on a staggering piece of back-of-the-envelope arithmetic about what mass-producing and launching these satellites could eventually unlock for the planet's compute supply. So why go to space? The case is power and cooling. Sunlight is nearly constant, and waste heat radiates into the void. No water or power grid required. The case against is blunt: launch costs, latency, and hardware that no technician can ever reach. So here's the bet. SpaceX is quietly reframing itself as an AI compute company, one with data centers in orbit and a factory built to print them. Whether the economics ever close is fittingly a trillion-dollar question.